I was really happy, and I've seen this their product also, and I'm thankful to them that they have given a lot of features. And their main thing is that most of this software what they provide are without any charges, which is something very unique. And I asked that. Tanaya was there, I think, yeah. So I asked her that three times that, are you sure that you're not charging anything? She said that no, sir, we don't charge anything. So that's a really great thing. I mean, you can give more, and you can of course get back something back more. That's how it is. And I wish all the best to the Optotax team, and they will continue to do their good journey. And some of the features are really good. I've seen. I've also tested some of it, but it is a good software. So I suggest that everybody, whomsoever possible, can avail this their services and be more compliant and efficient.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important updates.